In this video, we are going to discuss about the variables and data types in C#. So first of all, let's understand the theoretical knowledge about the variables, and then we'll discuss about the data types. So you used to put your book into your bag, and you can put water into the bottle. So likewise, you have to put the data into the variables. So variables is like the container to store the data temporarily during the execution of the program. So if I type something here, if I type data is equals to, if I type data and if I put it's equals to, why this solution is equals to 5. If I type this like this wise, then you can see here, this 5 is my data and this data is my variable. Okay, this is my variables and this is the code is assignment operator. We'll discuss it later. And semicolon is used to terminate our program, terminate out this line. So if I give the type of data, so if I write int before the data, then this is my original syntax of the data types and the variable. So this int is the data type and this data is the variable and 5 is my data. So likewise, you can make so many variables according to your requirement. So types of data, or we can simply say data types. So we have the integer type data. If I put the multiple comment, so integer type data int a, and it contain the 4 bytes. Then we have the float type data. It contain the 4 bytes. We have the character type data. It contains the 2 bytes. We have the string type data. It contains the 2 byte for character. And we have the long type data. It contains the 8 byte. We have the double type data. It contains the 8 byte space. And we have the boolean type data. It contains the 1 bit space. So likewise, you can create the likewise these are the some example of the data types in C#. So let's take an example of integer type data. Int a is equals to 5, and likewise float type data, float b is equals to 4.1, 4.3. Character type data, character c is equals to, if I put 8, we have to put the semicolon. Then again we have the data type string. S is equals to Nepal, and we have the long. L is equals to value, and we have the double value. And if I put the float here, we have to give the up sign here, and we have the goal. Okay, now if I want to run the console dot write line dash enter, L enter, D enter, E enter, S L D E A B A B C. Now we have completed this all things, and if I press on the run button, now you can see this is the output of different types of data. This is first is hello world, and second one is the Nepal, third one is the 433 and 504, and false 5, 4.3 and A. So this wise you can use the different types of data. If you get any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply to you. And thank you so very much for watching this video.